It's a tripod mini, very handy. If you want to use it with, I'm gonna take away my phone. This is my phone right now, I'm recording. I'm gonna take this phone off and show you how. Forgive me for a second. This is my phone right now. I'm gonna take this phone off and show you how this stuff is being recorded. This is my phone, as you can see. Right, I'm recording myself right now as we're speaking. I'm just gonna take this small tripod. This is for vloggers. If you like to vlog and you don't want to carry heavy stuff, it's just a small thing, you know. This is it right here. Check this out. You know, this is how everything works. I'm gonna turn this light off, and you can see now exactly how I am recording myself. Let me turn the lights on. This is it. Very small tripod. I mean, who doesn't get rid of this? You know, so small. And I probably will show you again. You see, I'm using my iPad, and I also have, you know, I'm using my iPad right now, but as you can see, I have another viewfinder on my iPad, you know, in the back there. This is it right there. Let me show you. This one right there is a viewfinder where I can see myself, and I'm just recording through my iPad. It's really handy, guys. It's a small product. I'm gonna link the description below where you can go and purchase it from Amazon. And those small purchases, guys, it just helps me and helps you and helps me create more videos. And if you have any question, comment down below. You know, like I say, I'm using small handy on my iPhone. This is my iPhone, and we got small viewfinder right there. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Look at it right there. It's very small. Everything that you need, you can ask me, guys. If you want to vlog like me, if you want to go and just do small things like this, hey, this is it right here. You know, it's a moment where now you have to upgrade your stuff. And as you can see, I'm using my iPhone, and everything works perfectly. I got my iPhone, I have my microphone here, and everything that you name everything here. I got it. You know, the lighting, I'm gonna put the light on the description also. Everything is on point. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and come back soon, please. Be blessed. Bye.